Hey, it's Chris. A little while ago, I did a 2-year review on this Milwaukee M12 Stapler. So I waited 2 years, did a bunch of projects, and then kind of gave some of my thoughts and impressions of how well it works and things that you could use it for and what it might be good for and maybe what it isn't. So on that review video, I got this comment from George Smith. He said, "How fast can it staple? I do a lot of upholstery in a fast-paced setting. How quickly can you empty a full chamber?" So that's what we're gonna look at in this video. So we're gonna put a full sleeve of staples in here, which I believe is about 75 staples. Now, it's not quite a full chamber, you know, like when you put it in there, you still have a little bit of room there, or you could maybe add more, but we'll just go with a full sleeve because I don't think you're really gonna spend time to, you know, split an extra couple staples off just to be able to fit them in there. We're gonna be using a sleeve of 1/2" T50 staples, not chiseled. And this is a pretty deep staple. "39 seconds. So in about 40 seconds, we can do 75 staples. You see I got 3 ones here where I picked up too quickly and started moving before it had completely fired, so then I got hung up on them. 75 in about 40 seconds. I'm gonna count all these just to make sure that we actually had 75 and that was a full sleeve. 75 staples in 40 seconds. So how much steel and how quickly can you sling it with this guy? 75 staples in 40 seconds. As I was sitting here editing the footage, I came across this frame. This frame is where the last staple is fired. And so realistically, we're much closer to like 38 seconds. And so if we take 75 staples, divide by 38 seconds, we're pretty much at 2 staples per second, which is pretty impressive, I think. That's way quicker than I thought it would be. I mean, keep in mind, I was just firing randomly into a scrap piece of wood where speed was my only goal. So if you're in a situation, and most likely you will be, where accuracy and effectiveness are required, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. You're probably not just firing them randomly in a board like I was for the sole purpose of speed, but nonetheless, I'm pretty impressed with that. Maybe you would be too. Well, go build something cool, I guess.